Africa is not waiting to be built. It is already building itself. Every day, in ways big and small. The question is, are we paying attention? Across the continent, something is happening. People are creating, solving, building. Not someday, now. They are not waiting for change. They are making it. They are the makers. They are the builders. The entrepreneur starting from nothing. The artisan perfecting a craft. The teacher shaping futures. The engineer designing what comes next. The ones fixing, creating, growing. Because building Africa is not someone else's job. It's all of ours. Every idea, every skill, every effort. And our role is to support those who are already doing the work, to enable progress, to back the builders. So, the question is, what are you building? Because whether you realize it or not, you are part of it. You are a maker. You are a builder. And Africa's future is being built by you. Make it in Africa to build Africa.